Well, we support the nursery landscape industries here at our research station in Virginia Beach, and one of the important topics is pollinators. We want to increase the number of pollinators, bees, butterflies, etc. So we've been doing plantings for the general public, as well as plantings in a more of the research setting on our station to attract and document types of bees and other insects, other pollinators that are coming. As this is such a critical area, the need for pollinators for our fruit production, vegetable production, and other crops.
We here have at the Hampton Roads some sort of like developing a motto. Just basically plant anything and they'll come, they'll find it, and they'll thank you. So any pollinators, anything that you think of, if you don't have any specific plant or a specific flower, but you have anything that is going to flower, please just go ahead and plant it, because that is what they're looking for. They're looking for pollen, nectar, and all those resources. They're being restricted and fragmented, so they get pulled apart. Since we're in the city and we're developing all these properties, the idea is that if we put these patches of resources, they're going to come and they're going to visit those, and they're going to be able to get those resources from them.
No landscape is too small. It could be as small as one plant in one pot on your patio or your deck. But it could also be something like this. It's a larger garden that has diverse species in it that supports pollinators on a larger scale. So it really needs to align with your interest, with your willingness to support pollinators, and invite them into your garden and just experience different plants and the beauty that they provide all year round for us, as well as the support for the pollinators.